I have an airplane. Airplane's flying at an altitude. Okay, again, there's words. Scary. Don't like words. Make a triangle. What is it? It's a plane. So I'm going to use P for plane. It's flying at an altitude of 500 meters. So this is my ground. Altitude means how high it is. So that's 500 meters. The angle of depression from the plane to the airport. Okay, I've got an airport, so I guess this is my airport. So plane, airport, 500 meters off the ground. Angle of depression from the plane to the airport. I need a horizontal. There's my horizontal from the plane. So what you do is you find out whatever it is the horizontal's from, and you draw a horizontal through it. So it's from the plane. There's my horizontal. It's from the plane to the airport. So that's 3.4 degrees. Well, because this and this are parallel, grade 9, TPT, alternate angles. You guys heard it about, you guys talked about it as the Z pattern. Zip, zip, zip. This is 34.4 degrees. TPT, alt is the proper way to say it, or you can say Z pattern, or you can say nothing at all, and I'm good with that too. But that's where that came from. So what do they want me to find? They want to find the direct distance from the airplane to the airport to the nearest kilometers. The direct distance. This would be the horizontal distance. This would be the vertical distance. The two of them together combine to give me the direct distance. The direct distance is from wherever the plane is to the airport. That is my direct distance. So I'm going to call that little d for direct distance. You're going to notice that it's the hypotenuse. So what do I have here? I want to find my hypotenuse. I have my opposite, and I have an angle. So opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So sine of 3.4 degrees equals 500 divided by the direct distance. The d's on the bottom, which means we cross multiply. We divide both sides by sine of 3.4. So that's, I'll show this one time today. I haven't shown it yet. But this is really what's happening. I divide both sides by sine of 3.4. That's just a decimal. And what's actually happening here is this one reduces it with the one above it, giving me $8,430 point to the nearest kilometer. So here's my whole decimal. They want it rounded to the nearest kilometer, so it's going to be 31 kilometers approximately. All right, I'm going to stop there. One thing I will warn you about when you're doing this calculation on your calculator, I did 500 divided by 3.4 sine. You then have to hit equals. Otherwise, that decimal that you get is just the sine of 3.4. So there you go. We'll stop there.